students. Today I am going to our chapter 5 in the part 17. Our remaining questions in exercise 5.5 in question number 17 students. Now question is there, x square minus 5x plus 8 and x cube plus 7x plus 9. Find derivative. Using these three rule. First of all, product rule means u into v rule. Second, expanding the product, obtain polynomials, and then after derivative. And third, logarithm function utilize, and then find differentiations. And after that asking these all three, they all give the same answer. Yes, students, always they are same answers. Because the rule is different, but answer is same. Now I start one by one. First, by product rule. In your question, x square minus 5x plus 8 and second function is same. Start differentiation with respect to x. So what you get product rule? First, second derivative, yes, plus second. Students, first derivative, your first is x square minus 5x plus 8. Easily apply the derivative. It is x square minus 5x plus 8. Dear students, 3x square. Yes. Next, 7. X derivative is 1 and plus 9 0. Same is x cube plus 7x plus 9. Here students, x square derivative is 2x minus 5 and 8 derivative is finally how many? It is 0. Now I just multiplied to both functions one by one. So what you get address x? First of all, x square multiply the total 3x raised to 4 plus 7x square. Now minus 5 square. Minus 5 is a 15. 2 and 1 it is 3. And 8 is a 24x square. Now last term for 8. 8 3 is a 24x square. Next 8 3 is a 24x square and 7 8 is a 56. Students, one more time check. Maybe my mistake. 3x raised to 4 plus 7x square. Second 5 into 3. 15x square x cube minus 7 5 is 35. Here mistakes. Again 5 is a 15x cube minus 35x 7 5 and last 8 chance 8 3 is a 24x square plus 7 8 is a 56. Now students, here same as here too. X cube multiply both. So 2x raised to 4. Next minus 5x cube. Similarly, 7 to the 14. 1x and 1x. It is a x square. And next 7 to the 14. Now 7 5 is 35x. And last of the 9 to the 18x. And minus 9 5 is 45. So students, here is getting one of the expansion after derivative. Now I collect two like terms higher to lower. Right? 4 power 3 and 2. 5x raised to 4. Now cube power 15 and 5, 20x cube. Yes. Now square 7 and 24. How many? 31. 31 and 14. Yes, 31 and 14. It is a 45 plus 45x square. Now single x. 35, 70 minus 70 plus 18. It is a 52 minus. And last of the 45 plus 56, it is 11. Students, here our first equation is happily here done, students. Now I go to our second part, expanding product by using single polynomials. Now I move ahead second one. Students, for second one, what is rule? Expand in a single polynomial. It means our fx students fully expanded. What is your fx? X square minus 5x plus 8 x cube plus 7x plus 9. Now here students expand it one by one. So big steps here. X square with full term minus 5x with full term and plus 8 with our this full term value. Now slowly I both of the expanded students. Then after I start our derivative. So this expansion now starting here affects x raised to 2 and 3 5 7 2 and 1 3 9 x square. Now here minus 5x raised to 3 and 1 4 minus 35 x and x square 9 5s are 45x and last times 8x cube 7 8s are 56x and 8 9s are 72. Now start the highest priority to lowest priority. See the highest priority 5 only one. Now check the 4 priority is also minus 5x raised to 4. Now students cube priority. Cube is 7 and 8 15x cube. Yes, it is a 15x cube. Next continue. Now single x priority 56x minus 45x, it is plus 11x, and finally constant you have to only, no not only, sorry my mistake, square priority left 9x square minus 35x square. How much? It is a minus 26x square. Yes, 26 and 9 it become 35. And last, now single x priority 56 minus 45, it is plus 11x and last 17. Now I start differentiation with respect to x. Check now. Here derivatives are 5x raised to 4. Check, it is same coming. Yes. Second, 5 4s are 20x cube. This also same coming. Here 20, no? Why written here 2y x cube? Students, my mistake there. 5 15 and 5 are 20. Yeah? So you make the correction. Here my mistake. Sorry. Now here 20x cube. Next here now 15 is 45x square. Check, it is same. Here 26 2s are 52x. 11 and 72 0. This creative. Students, statement number 2. Now third case. Question same. What is third case? Using logarithm with function. It means students question same, but utilize now logarithm function. X square minus 5x plus 8 x cube plus 7x plus 9. Taking log on both sides with the base here. Yes. If you log apply base, product value must be translated into plus value. So these are same. X square minus 5x plus 8 x square plus 7x plus 9. Now finally students, I start slowly derivative. Surely equation 1, this equation 2 and this equation derivative, third equation are same answer coming. So I start now here derivative differentiation with respect to x, and one by one I go ahead my derivative. It's an easy derivative. So this derivative is a 1 upon fx. Fx derivative is a f plus x. Now right side, here 1 upon x square minus 5x plus 8 into, now this derivative is a 2x minus 5 and 8 derivative 0. Same as x cube plus 7x plus 9 1 upon, and what is the x cube derivative? 3x square, 7 and 9 derivative is a 0. 3x square, 7x is a 7 and 9 derivative is 0. Now students, what you get as x? Fx into 2x minus 5 by x square minus 5x plus 8. Similarly, 3x square plus 7 x cube plus 7x plus 9. Students, this will be your final answer. I take derivative for after that LCM and fx putting. Students, what is the fx? X square minus 5x plus 8 into x cube plus 7x plus 9, and here LCM take out 2x minus 5 with plus 3x square plus 7 with and upon LCM x square minus 5x plus 8 into x cube plus 7x plus 9. Students, these two are the cutting, and other is as it is. What is the as it is? Other as it is, I just expanded, you get the same answer. So students, remaining data is as it is plus this also as it is. Now this expand off 1 by 1. This also expand off 1 by 1. So what you get after expansion? First of all, 2x multiply. 2x raised to 4, 14x square, 9 2s are 18x. Next, minus 5x cube, 7 5s are 35x, 9 5s are 45. And last chance for this multiply. 3x raised to 4 minus 5 and 3 15x cube, 8 3s are 24x square, and last 7x square minus 35x, 7 8s are 56. Now check, this equation is same as to second. Yes, 3 and 2 5, x raised to 4. Look. Now cube, 15 and 5. Yes, 20x cube. Check. Now square is a 45x square. 14 and 44 and 7. 7 and 14, 21. 21 and 24. Yes, it is a 45. Very good. So 45x square. Now check. Is minus 52x? Minus 35. Minus 35 is minus 70. Minus 70 and other x is a plus 18. Yes, minus 17 plus 18. Surely it get 52x, correct? Minus 52x, and last constant 56 minus 45, which is 11. That is statement number 3. And students, check these all three answers 1 to 3 are the same answer. So lastly we verify. This is a big question. First, second, third, three property utilized. So last I write down from 1, 2 and 3 all are same result. And now I am going to question number 18. Yes students, question 18 is there. ddx of u into v into w to prove ddx of u into v into w is equal to du by dx v into w, u dv by dx into w, and last u into v dw by dx. Here students, if that 3 are is a property, utilize our logarithm function, and I easily done this part. So suppose y is equal to u v w taking log on both sides, converting product into addition necessary. Yes. So differentiation with respect to x. Here 1 by y derivative dy by dx. Now what the log u derivative? 1 by u du by dx. 1 by v dv by dx. 1 by w dw by dx. This is easily done. Only y take upside, students. So what is dy by dx? Y into 1 by u du by dx, 1 by v dv by dx, 1 by w dw by dx. And only students, I put in my value of y. So d dx of u into v into w, 1 by u other same, 1 by v other same, and 1 by w other is same. Finally students, this u v w multiply inside, surely you get this equation because 1 u and u cancel. So finally these are multiplied. So what you get? d dx of u v w, u and u cancel, v into w into du by dx. Here v will cancel, so u into w into dv by dx. And now here w cancel, u into v dw by dx. And this part students, here happily our done. And this property is also finished by logarithm derivative. So students, this solution is your RHS. And here students, our exercise 5.5 I happily done here using all numericals for related logarithm functions with illustrations. Now students, I go into new topic. New topic is a derivative of parametric function. Parametric functions is a one of the part of implicit functions. Yes students, it's very easy. Sometimes dy by dx find out with respect to time. So you just write down dy by dt upon dx by dt. Here t is one of the parametric values. Either sometimes students parametric given theta. So you show that dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. Theta is one of the parametric value. Don't worry, I explain in detail wise. Example. Students, in this topic, I explain you up to 2 types of derivative. Second order derivative. Yes students, it's very easy. Don't worry. Example, I am going to 34. If x is equal to a cos and y is equal to a sin, find dy by dx. Also asking the square y by dx square. This is an extra. This is an extra students. So don't worry. Here look, what is the parametric theta? So I follow this formula. Sometimes this t. So differentiation with respect to theta. So here dx by d theta. Here also cos theta. So what is the cos theta derivative? It is minus sin theta. Yes, same apply here. dy by d theta. d by d theta sin theta. Now, just to say, what is the sin theta derivative? It is cos theta. And both of you joining, you get the answer first. dy by d theta. So, my first answer create. dy by dx is a dy by dt upon dx by dt. So what you getting? Dy by theta is a this one, a cos theta. Now what is dx by dt? Minus a sin theta. This cutting minus cot theta. Students, here our textbook solution over. In textbook question asking only dy by dx is done. That kind of you also telling it is first order derivative. It means y1. Now I am explaining to y2 means second order derivative. Second order derivative always respect to x, not respect to theta. Differentiation with respect to x. d by dx. Here same is and here also same is. Minus already I take out straight. Now students, d square y by dx square. Now first cot function derivative, after that theta derivative respect to x. So cot derivative minus cos x square theta and theta is pending. How many? d theta by dx. Yes. And this d theta by dx students already you know. Yeah, this one. Actually it is dx by d theta, but I want d theta by dx. So d square y by dx square, it is cos x square theta, and that value is 1 by minus a sin theta. So total getting, yes, sin theta upper side taking, it is minus cosec cube theta by a. That's your y2 clear. It is a second order derivative. Students, almost every question I explain you now up to second order derivative. That is your syllabus. Next exercise coming question there. And this is a board question asking up to second derivative. Students, here first theta necessary doing, and after that you are going to x respect. It is a second order derivative y2. Next, illustration number now 35. Also same. Find the derivative for x is equal to 80 square, y is equal to twice 80. Find dy by dx. But I find out also d square y by dx square till up to second derivative. Students, here online textbook asking, I calculate both. So differentiation with respect to first of all t, because t is your parametric function. So dx by dt, d by dt of a t square. Now a is square derivative to t. Similarly, dy by dt, d by dt of twice a t. T is 1, it is 2a, dy by dt. Now, students, finally, I am going to dy by dx, dy by dt upon dx by dt. Its value is known, 2a upon 2at. It is 1 by t. Here students, our textbook numerical done. But now I go to extra. Find out second order derivative. Differentiation with respect to x. d by dx of my question. And what is d by dx? dy by dx. Here 1 by t. Now answer. It is d square y by dx square. Students, here apply our division rule. T square d dx of 1 minus 1 d dx of t, because I am going to to our basic division rule. So what you get, students? Yes, second order derivative you easily completed. D square y by dx square. Here t, one derivative 0, minus 1 dt by dx same upon t square. So finally what you getting? D square y by dx square minus 1 by t square dt by dx. Now students, this value dt by dx already you calculate here. Dx by dt. So 1 upon twice a t I just putting down and easily done this answer. It is how many? 1 by twice a t. It means my answer is minus 1 by twice a t cube. D square y by dx square. And students, here your second order derivative is easily done. It is a first order derivative y1. And this numerical is fully, students, completed. Now students, one extra point I explain you. This question translate into now implicit functions. So x is equal to 80 square, y is equal to twice 80. If you take in square, this t square you just putting down there. So what is t square here? X by 8. Surely you getting 4ax. Students, you know that it is a parabola. And here if you start derivative differentiation with respect to x, surely derivatives these are same coming. 1 by t is a parametric, but here are converting into implicit functions. So d by dx of y square. Students, I just numerical explain in different way. So d by dx. Sometimes this is also asking in exam. That's why I explain. So here are 2y dy by dx, 4a x derivative 1. So what is dy by dx? 4a by 2y, to cancel, twice a by y. And what is the y? What is the y? Twice a t. Check. Your answer is same coming. Yes, indirectly implicit function, this implicit functions. It is standard form of parabola and this is a parametric form. Directly same answer coming. So this answer is also done and easily you create your answer in the two way. Now example continue, students. 36. If x is equal to a theta plus sin theta and y is equal to a 1 minus cos theta, find dy by dx, also d square y by dx square. These are two type answer asking. This only textbook question. This is extra. I both explain you easily. A theta plus sin theta and a 1 minus cos theta. So students, start differentiation with respect to theta, because theta is your parameter here. Dx by d theta, d by d theta of my function. So what is the answer? Answer is a 1. Sin derivative is a cos. First case done. Same as dy by d theta. A outside because constant. D by d theta of 1 minus cos theta. So what are you getting? Here 0. Cos derivative minus sin. So here cos sin. So dy by d theta is a sin theta. Students, here dx by d theta and dy by d theta done. Now I start my first order derivative dy by dx. Same as I explain you the first order derivative dy by dx is dy by d theta theta upon dx by d theta. It means this value a sin theta upon a 1 plus cos theta. This a and this a 1, and further you calculate, it is 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2, and 1 plus cos theta is what? 2 cos square theta by 2. 2 gone, cos gone, only I have tan theta by 2 dy by dx. Students, up to that, your first order derivative y1 is here over. Now I go to second order derivative. In your textbook question, only asking students tan theta by 2 up to that. Yes, our answer is true. Now I go into second order derivative. Differentiation with respect to x. Second order derivative. D by dx. D by dx. Here dy by dx. And here tan theta by 2. So your answer is d square by dx square. First of all, tan derivative. After that theta by 2. And after that theta, tan derivative sec square theta by 2. Now theta by 2 is half. And theta pending, d theta by dx. And this value you carry forward by here. Because it is known, already calculated. So, d square by dx square. It is x square theta by 2. 1 by 2. And this answer is 1 upon a 1 plus cos theta. And now further students, this answer I just rearranged in the one line term. Then this answer is done. First second order derivative. So, d square by dx square is equal to sec square theta by 2, same as write down. Can I write this one? 2 cos square theta by 2. Because 1 plus cos theta, you know already, 2 cos square theta by 2. Cos square and sec square, both you joint. They are reciprocal to each other. So d square by dx square upon is a 4a. But here sec raised to 4 power theta by 2, and this answer is done. Either you write down this is also true, 4a cos the 4 power theta by 2 is the same answer. So students, here our 4a cos the 4 power theta by 2 here done. And students, our this part is also done here. Now further explanation students, I explain you in the next part. Bye bye. See you.